Hi, welcome back to a new video. We'll start here with some basic React project, and in this series we will upgrade this project to a real web application. We will not cover just yet JavaScript basics and styling basics. So let's get started. Leave a like for YouTube algorithm so this video can help even more people. The goal of this video is to create a full React based to-do list. We will start with some basic React project configuration, and maybe in the next video I'll show my personal project configuration in your project. I wanted a table, so I started to search for a table that satisfies me. We'll create a file, and this file will become our table component. Then we will create a component class, and inside a render we will return our table. Just creating it now. Okay, so now let's import our component just created into our main component app.js. Then I'll create some formatting, some basic stuff with Bootstrap like container, row, column. And that's it. We just created our first table component. This component will serve us for a basic functionality. Just formatting, so I can put some margin. This table. Then we'll take the constructor. Basically, I'm creating this constructor like a part of our class, and inside it we will store all our states, aka variables. One of these variables will be, let's call it to-do list. It will be an array with objects inside, and each object it's gonna be let's see, each object gonna have ID parameter, so we can differentiate every object one from another. A name will speak for itself. And description. I'll just write some stuff inside. So next parameter will be, let's see, will be done. Done is a boolean. Then I will write a basic function. I'm creating a function that based on my table list. Basically, I'm creating a function that based on my table list array saves inside the state. My map function will loop through the array and return array of HTML elements or components. In this case, I will return a simple row. And for each object inside to-do list, we will return an HTML object or HTML element. This map function will take our list, our state, so our to-do list, map through the array, and each object inside this array will become an HTML object, or simply a row. I'll just copy a row. Now I'm just filling all columns of a row with data taken from our object. Just get some checkboxes from ND, put them inside, and then I proceed to create a function event based on an event. With this function, we will try to achieve one simple thing. We'll click, the pattern of this function will be, we'll click on a checkbox, we activate the checkbox, then we'll fire this function, we will pass to this function a row. This row will be modified inside our state, our to-do list array, and by doing so we will need to find an index of this row inside our state. Once we have this ID of the row, we'll modify that row, and then simply by doing setState, by calling setState with a new array, we'll simply update our table, so we'll regenerate it. Just trying some values to see if all things works fine, and then it's okay. Going through some debugging, and then all done. You will find all the code in the description with my repository on GitHub. And thank you very much. Have a nice day.